दाबोळे विमानतळ हो केन्नाच बंद जावचो ना। फुडल्या 2 वर्सांक पर्वरे भागांत येवपी प्रकल्पाक लागून ट्राफिक ब्लॉक जावपाची अपेक्षा आसा। अशा स्थितीत पर्यटक मोपा बदला दाबोळे विमानतळार येवपाक निवडटले। तशेंच गोंयांत फुडाराक तिसऱ्या विमानतळाची गरज भासपाक शकता अशें हांवें विधान केल्लें। ढवळीकारान सुद्दां हाचें समर्थन केलां म्हूण आपल्याक बरें दिसलें अशें माविन हांणी म्हळां। RDXGOA ब्युरो रिपोर्ट।
See, one thing I can tell you with all the emphasis, whatever people may try, Dabolim airport can never be closed. Number one, it is one of the best 3 airports in the country running with sufficient flights. Number two, enough traffic would be available both for Mopa and for Dabolim. Even if one Qatar has shifted, I am telling you the practical thing that will work. Next 2 or 2.5 years, your Porvorim stretch is going to get blocked.
Correct.
Nobody will prefer to land at Mopa, they will prefer to land at Dabolim. So again there will be shift by some airlines to Dabolim airport.
So you expect that?
Then yes, that is
From
going to
Mopa to
happen. It's a natural consequence of this. Meanwhile, people will not stop coming to Goa for tourism and other activities. They will want to come to Goa. At that time what will happen? When they come to Goa, they will come at Dabolim. So traffic in 2 years time also will increase. Number of people coming will increase. पहिले कितले लोक येताले, आमचे पॉप्युलेशन कितले 10 लाख आसले, आमचे लोक येताले 20 लाख 25 लाख, आज आमचे पॉप्युलेशन 18 lakhs. आज लोक येता 75 lakhs 85 lakhs every year. It is going to cross a crore. So where they will land? Most of them today, the common man also, some of the lower middle class people or even poor people have started to travel by flight as a matter of convenience. If you book in advance, you get very cheap rates. Look at the type of people traveling. Common man is traveling. It's a very healthy sign. And there are maximum airports coming up all over the country. As against that background, we will need both the airports. कोणे काळजी करपाची गरज ना. वयल्यान पय दवलीकरानय म्हणले म्हाका बरें दिसलें. We need a third airport. Which I said first. There will be a time when we'll need a third airport. So forget about Dabolim.
So you also endorse that?
Of course I endorse. It was my statement originally. Correct, yeah. I was very happy when he endorsed it.
But Konkani म्हणता तो?
Huh?
Konkani?
Wherever. Goa is so small, but I think we are very comfortably placed with Dabolim and that. And I had a personal talk with Defence Secretary. They have no intention of saying that Navy needs that airport. They are very happy operating alongside the civilians with the Airport Authority of India, so it will continue.